Welcome, Brendan Bears. I'm Audie.
And I'm Adrian, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Monday, September 16, 2019.
Today, your first period teacher should have given you a progress report. If not, please ask your teacher about it tomorrow.
Last week, we celebrated homecoming, crowning as Queen Naomi Mendoza and King Rishi Patel. Congratulations, and our 2019 homecoming court included Lady Ariana Sanchez and Lord Avron Carter, Duchess Shayla Vidal and Duke Marvion Page, Princess Evelyn Corrales, and Prince Xavier Aldana. Take a look at some highlights at the game festivities. Mr. Rishi Patel. Homecoming queen of William J. Brand High School is Miss Naomi Mendoza.
Many attended the Once Upon a Time homecoming dance and had a great time. Take a look at some highlights.
Teachers, remember $5 G Mondays are back. If you would like to participate, please fill out the form that was sent to you. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Vaughn in C208.
Bears, open house is this Thursday, September 19th from 6:30 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. This year's open house will feature an 8-period visiting schedule beginning at 7 p.m. Each period will be 5 minutes, followed by a 5-minute passing period. Fifth period will be extended by 5 minutes for a PTSA greenback donation drive. We'll also have a 20-minute bonus round following 8th period. The final bell will be at 8:40 p.m., officially ending open house. See you there.
This Saturday, your cross-country varsity Bears finished 3rd overall as a team, and the varsity Lady Bears finished 7th overall at the UIW Invitational Cross-Country Meet at the Live Oak City Park. Come out and support them again this Saturday at Gus Stadium.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual cheer clinic next Saturday, September 21st from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and participation in a performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Miss Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Finally, congratulations to 52 of our Bears for earning the AP Scholar status, 3 of whom are National AP Scholars, 4 who earned AP Scholar with honor, and 7 earned AP Scholar with distinction. Ask your teachers to show you the list.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you missed any part of the broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website. Have a great day, Bears.
I'm Adrian.
And I'm Audie, signing off from BTV. Have a great day.
BTV, 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 BTV.